Hello, welcome. I'm Joe, and today we're going to make a simple hip bag. All the cutting instructions will be placed in the description below. So we will start by making our belt casing. So take one of your exterior pieces and fold it in half horizontally, and then you will place your casing piece just over the crease that you just made. You'll take this to your sewing machine and you will sew along the two long edges using a 1/8 seam allowance. Now this belt casing will be suitable for any belt that is under 2 inches. Okay, so now your belt casing is now attached to the exterior back of your fanny pack. You will set this aside and we will continue by attaching the zipper. Now place your other exterior piece right sides up and place your zipper right sides down on top of it, matching the top edges. Take your lining piece and match the raw edges with the zipper and the exterior piece. You can pin or clip these three together, take it to your sewing machine, and using a zipper foot, you will sew across to secure the zipper in place. This is what you should have at this stage. Now pull the two pieces of fabric together, wrong sides together, and away from the zipper. Finger press or use your iron to press if you're using fabric, cotton or any other fabric outside of leather or vinyl. You will take this back to your sewing machine and you will top stitch using a longer stitch length. If you were using 2.5 millimeters, you will now increase it to 3 or 3.5. After you've completed this, we will attach the other two pieces. So this is one section completed. Now you will repeat all the steps to attach the exterior back and lining to the zipper. So you just follow along the video and repeat the steps. So in place, remember to top stitch using your longer stitch length. Now let's make our tab. You will fold it in half lengthwise and you will sew along the edge. This will be used to connect our decorative chain that is also will be connected to our zipper pull. This is optional, or you could use it on the side to attach a wristlet if you like. But I am just using this for decorative purpose. So you will place it 1 inch in from the edge and sew across, matching with the top stitching that you did earlier. Now if you're using your chain zipper pull or some sort of zipper pull that is similar to this is optional, you don't have to do it. You will attach the chain to the zipper pull and then to the tab that you just sewed on. So this is what it should look like at this stage. Make sure and open your zipper halfway, and you pull the exterior pieces right sides together and the lining pieces right sides together, because we will now be assembling our bag. Now pin everything nicely and make sure to leave a 4-inch opening on the lining section. That will be used for turning your bag right sides out after you've completed your stitching. So you'll take this to your sewing machine and you will sew all around except for the opening using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Now that you've completed your stitching, you will trim along the bag except for the opening and take it down about 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch all around, and you will turn this right sides out. And after you've done that, you will stitch the opening close by stitching close to the edge using about a 1/8 seam allowance. You will push the lining inside of your bag and your fanny pack is now complete and so this is your bag complete. Now this is a belt that I made previously. As I said, I will link to the tutorial showing you how to make this at the end of this video. So you will run your belt through the casing in the back of your fanny pack, and this will be used to run through the loops on your pants, or just you can wear it on your waist depending on what outfit you're wearing, and here your bag is ready. This is a quick and easy sew and I hope you enjoyed it. You can watch the next video to see how to make a different style of the fanny pack. Please give this video a like and let me know in the comments if you found this tutorial easy to follow. See you in the next one.